Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manipulate the darts from the bodies pattern, and this actually you can do it with the front or the back patterns. But okay, so for now I have this little sample and you can see that I have the halves and the quarters on each side of my bodies, but actually you can do it wherever you want it to be. So I mean, if you want to do it just right this way, or you want to do it this way, or just this way in the neckline and stuff like that, then sure, you can do it, and I will show you how to do it. So the thing is that we have to get rid of the bust dart from here. So what we're gonna do, let's say we want the half of the shoulder dart. So we need our pattern to be completely still, like I'm showing you. So let's start doing it from this part to this. I'm just and we're gonna do the thing that's called pivoting, and just holding it down we're going to close our dart like this, and we're going to continue doing this little thing here and finish just right where you want your dart to be. Okay, so now let's just join some points here and I'll show you. So I'm just joining from the shoulder and the shoulder again, the other half of the shoulder, and now from the waistline, and finally close it like this. And here, as you may remember, we have our high bust point. We're gonna do like this, or dart, and finally we're gonna join from this point to half of the shoulder from here and half the shoulder from there. All right, so as you maybe can see, it's very easy to manipulate it. But okay, so let's have another example. So let's say now that we have a dart from half of our armhole. So we're gonna do completely the same, which is to trace like this, and here and here, and we're gonna hold like this and go down, like closing it. We were here, as you see, and now we have to move it to here, like closing the dart. Now I'm going here to draw it, the line, and just go where my dart's gonna be, here. Now again, it's time to join some points. Here we have our first armhole line. And our side dart, bust dart, is completely closed. And now here and here. And finally, let's join these two darts here, like this, and okay, like this. So we have now moved our dart to the side of our armhole. So let's have another example if you still don't get it that much. So the point is to close this dart. So let's say that instead of here we have something from here, we're gonna do it but backwards, let's say, and so on, so on. So let's say now that we want our dart to be from the quarter of this line from here. So we want to start. We're going to start from this point and going all down, and now close it. And we're gonna do everything else, like draw everything else. And we finish in this quarter. Okay, so let's now see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see it's completely the same method, just like I've just told you. But maybe if you're feeling a little bit confused, I just suggest you to make this a small size of your bodice pattern and to start like playing with it. There are other methods, of course, if you want to do it. So the method that I'm going to show you is to trace everything just like it is. And let's say that I want this dart from here. So this method will be completely a little bit more difficult. Okay, so let's start tracing this. And this one is the dart that we want, okay? So I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so now that we have our pattern ready, so what comes next is that the line where we want our dart to be, we're gonna cut it all through to the hypos point. And then just close the dart from this side. And that's just basically it, you guys. And just like I told you, well, this one's a little bit more complicated to make because you have to waste a little bit more of paper. So what I recommend to you is to don't be afraid of pivoting all your darts or whatever, and just do it just going on the paper, like place your paper and start playing with it. And just if you have any other idea, like instead of doing here in the hub, we just want to make it here, just go for it. There's nothing stopping you actually. So that's basically it, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be uploading more of this type of patterns, and I also plan to make how to make your trousers from the beginning to the end from scratch. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to share it to a friend or someone who would like to see this kind of stuff. So see you very soon. I hope you have a fantastic time. Goodbye, guys.